doing, Mr. Manager?
Hey, I just gotta put the finishing touch on my new desk. Love you, Pop.
Anybody else care to work on some music?
Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Come on, Zephyr. Show us what you and Gladys can do.
Okay.
I can't marry her. She's my friend. Yeah, it'd be so weird.
With an attitude like that, I'm afraid you're shaping up to be a pretty pathetic thing indeed.
Not the way I see it.
Small tuna fish on one big catch.
You might not ever get rich, but let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch.
His parents?
There ain't no telling who you might be. A movie star, or maybe even a Indian chief. At the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it
What are you
with
doing?
the car
What's the
wash.
point of this training?
Sing it with the feeling down the car wash, yeah.
Work and work.
Get out more often. Race ya?
Hey, get your car washed today.
Fill up and you don't have to pay. Come on and give us a play.
Get a wash, right away.
Sharks in the
Keep up
water
with me,
make
don't
their
let me
jaws
lose you.
lock. When I
'Cause you're
swim
not
to the
losing.
rim, I'm too high. Y'all can make your best, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one big catch. Bow down, player, cause this
Work and work.
You don't want none of this. Work that, pop back, hurt that, turn this
Break it down,
baby
Boo!
on.
We're on top of the world!
9 to 5, I gotta keep it fixed.
I can't feel my stomach.
Just why
Never sleep ever again.
So, you may not ever get rich, but
A sharp tale of exclusive